Hi Nobuhle. Hey, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Sesizotshontsha inkukhu zabantu ke kulo January. Gadani livestock yenu because angeke sihlale kanjalo. Inkukhu yakho can't trespass into my property. Hluphu. Double stream hey Wendy. Kulonyaka kumele uyithole le mali. Hayi ngiyoyithola kulonyaka. Ngifuna from January njengamanje ngifuna yona. Ngangibabhali phela mina angidlali kanjalo. Hayi abo Mohammed lapha abami kancane. Inkukhu zenu kade inkukhu zenu mina zangena la ejardini. Hluphi mina ngidlala kanjani nalanga lonke mina. Happy New Year God. Bukang. Hi Asanda. How are you? Musuzithathile uzozenza njani ngizoyipheka uzothi mawuzofuna inkukhu yakho seyabila lapha inuka kamnandi maqeda ngikuhlalise phansi siyifuna asisibona. Hey
Hi.
requestele imesh patience.
Yebo.
Okay, I'm good. How are you? Gorgeous. Very
And now I
good.
see Uri, you are saying Kabangili.
Hey, request endaweni wrong. Zokuhlanga. Hey, Merry New Year. Happy New Year, Asanda. Guys, map P5 nzima musi. Mina nawo sinzima musi. Esinzima no patient.
Eh?
Sinzima. Uyi P5. Guys, aninginisini la ukuthi phela kube happy new year kahle. Ayeke songena ku new year sishaye. Ngishaye ke mina.
Guys, let's double tap.
Usemakhaya
Let's
patient.
give times 2, guys.
Wayengathi ngibona intaba lapha emuva kwakho.
Ada, thank you for the taps.
Ungithile lo muntu. Welcome to P5. Host every day for 10 hours. Yes. Host every day for 10 hours. I-advice le Asanda. Ngiyayithatha if i-advice ngiyayithatha mina ngizohosta nje for 10 hours ngasuka manje until late. Lokho nje kuyimi.
Thank you, user.
Iyo, thank you. Wena mara wena ngathi uhosta for 10 hours amanga wakho Asanda wena uhosta for 10 hours. Angazi ngifike kanjani mina ku B5 because ngigcine kudala kuba live ngisho ngina 3 days.
Guys, let's try to activate 2 roses. Can you please have 2 roses, guys? 1 person, 1 rose. They're winning. Wildlife, thank you. Guys, a different person.
Luxury, thank you. Luxury girl. Guys, omunye umuntu besides Luxury. Flaco, thank you. Guys, asimshayeni. Thank you Luxury.
Let's go, guys. Someone else with a rose.
Thank you Flaco.
Johnny, welcome. Guys, a rose. It's ending, guys. Let's activate.
Flaco. W Flaco.
Thank you, Candice, for the
No,
tip.
right now, cause if I gift, I'll level up to level 20.
Natalie, welcome.
Ah, why ngifuna ukulevel up la? Yini ngifuna ukuya
Hey,
kwenye
let's
indawo
go.
uyobona
Let's
ukuthi ya
type.
level up. Ufuna ukuyobukisa ukuthi ya level up Asanda.
Ah, thank you for the follow.
Hey Precious.
Thank you for the taps.
I-flex kanti ukulevel up kanti. Ngoba ngiyabona ngathi ufuna ukuyoflexa ngako lokulevel up. Mara wena uhambile
Hello,
Nkosi
King
yami
of
ku-21.
Kings.
Sifika kanjani nasi la
Yeah.
khona?
Thank you for the taps.
Thabiso yangale kuye lo yasisi.
Mara King of Kings, I told you ki New Year, Mara. I just need you to bless me with a galaxy to protect my fragments. Happy
Hey
New
guys,
Year to
nezwa
you
basithembisa
too.
isikhala.
I'm good, and how are you? TD, thank you for the
Unyaka
follow.
omusha. Nye
Nkomo, welcome.
nangisafani akakachinji. Tshintshe amalanga nedeni nonyaka. Nakusese ayikho into enye ngami nje. Seseyimina lo.
Guess your name.
Ngiyamfuna lo sisi. Iyangale patience. Patience kanti wena Thabiso unjani iyangale ku patience. Angisho uma umfuna. Phela ngeke ngishelele wena. Wena Thabiso. Ake ngishelele wena phela ngithi nangu Thabiso.
Zonke, welcome. Thank you, BR, for the follow. Stilo, Nezel, thank you guys for the follow. Hey, I mean, on sniper like also you can use money recklessly, King of Kings, man. Thank you guys. Everyone who's following me, thank you. Let's snipe him, guys, with a hand heart. We can snipe Nola. Welcome. Together, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Patience.
Thank you. Yebo.
Mina ngikusabi mina. Mina lokhu ngishaya kwakho lokhu ngishaya nje lokhu. Ngiyakufuna futhi. Sizohlangana late mase ngikwate kahle.
Hey, Badna. Thank you. Thank you so much, King of Kings. Wildlife. Everyone who double tap. Thank you so much, guys. Okay.
Kuna late. Rematch.
I thought you said you wanted a rematch again.
No, bengikiri mina late. Into bengiyinkira la.
Hayibo. Hey.
Late manje akwenzakali next. Ngiyabona wena yabatshela ukuthi basnipe vele. Shuthi kune MVP.
Hey, they should snipe.
Lapho. Awekho wami. Hayi, ufuna late. Ngiclocreya.
Ngiyaphila ninjani? Guys, let's double tap please.
Ngicabanga ukuthi uma ungashela lengane ngaqoma. Hey, mina 2026 I don't think like my goal is to share that.
Thank you for sharing.
2026 ngeke sifuna le mali.
Guys, when I tell King of Kings or and Sniper like I code we should use money wisely than one.
Hey, uhey wakho was very beautiful. Yo, yes, thank you.
Guys, time
how are you, Tabile? Oh, Merry New Year. Oh, Happy New Year.
Guys, if we snipe 1 times 3, guys, we can win. Thank you, user, for the tips. Wildlife, thank you. Hi, guys, 4 people. Where am I gonna get? Okay, guys, let's try. Chris, thank you so much,
guys,
3 more people, guys. Thank you, Wildlife. 2 more, guys. 2 more people. Each person the rose.
Sandile Tanko.
Welcome, Donald. Guys, can we please have 2 roses, guys? From 2 different people, let's go, guys, together.
Thank you, Kaka and Sandile. Oh, shut 2. Wow,
yeah?
Shoda 2 abantu abayi2.
Hey.
Shoda 1. Asaze saslow.
Guys, 2 more people.
No, besides Sandile, thank you Sandile. Omunye.
2 more guys. Let's go.
Please.
Yo, guys. Thank you, Chili, guys. We won't have ×3, guys. Where are people? Can I pick up roses? Did you activate? Okay, at least, guys. They also don't have the speed. Guy, welcome. Guys, let's try to snipe them. Let's snipe them with a money gun. Shorty, thank you so much for the taps.
Guys, now, ingaka crack phone. Ngaye ukuthepha. Kumele izicrack. Uzonempunzi wazo.
For the follow.
Yo. Hey.
General, thank you for the tips.
We're broke. We are broke this January. Access A1. I-brokenness ayikakashayi baba. Yoshaya from nge7 i-brokenness. Ungaqamba manga mfana uTaps.
Hey, you don't know. You don't know. Yeah, favorite. Thank you for the tips.
Yongena. Hayi manje. Hlala ngami mfana uTaps. Back to school.
I want guys to snipe for us with a money gun.
Back to school, Yashi Pep. Yo, Pep deals.
Kruger, thank you so much.
Great trouser, 100 rand. Toughies, 250.
Guys, 1 minute. Please snipe.
Back to school. Ila vele sibhekene nenkinga ukuthi sinihambise. Kuyona uniform.
Thank you. Thank you. I left with one hand heart to light up my gift gallery. My hand hearts, yeah. Thank you, Chief. Lighting them up. Thank you. Let's go together, guys. Let's snipe them.
Hey, Pep, the #1 school shop. Unayaz. Yo back nuki Toughies.
Koji will snipe, guys. Let's go. 10 seconds, guys. Snipe. Snipe. Welcome, Paula. Oh, guys, we tried. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chili. Oh, it was late. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you.
MVP.
Thank you so much. Thank you, our MVP. Please follow Chili, guys. Thank you, Wildlife. Your favorite General, Shorty, King of Kings.
Back to school.
Udlani namhlanje uphuza?
Ngidla ivoroso.
Yo.
Asikakalidli ikabisha ngisho so lidla from nge5.
Yo.
Ngidla ivoroso.
Manje seniyasibasela. Yo. Eish. Uwinile.
Yeah, la ngibuya khona.
Bodlala nobani?
Patient.
Uwine kanjani wena wina ngamathep?
Ngamathep. Khona ugiftile usabile uyelo wangifta lapha inja edunusile.
Eish. Yay, wow. Okay, fak. Kasi ngicela nihambe nobuza ubani konje igama lakhe uzafa. Abuya zongigift la ayikho lento yakhe.
Nami ngena ngakhuphuka yabo sengiyi-B5.
Ha. Ufike njani la?
Athatha braga magic.
Ugifte man.
Angazi ngifike kanjani la ngizokutshela mina.
Hayibo. Masimina. Hayibo ufike kanjani? Ha. B.
Bengekho live futhi.
×2 guys, ×2 asidlali nozafa phela la. Yo.
Thank you Andy.
I'm whatever. Thank you so much. Hey, vele nambona guys. You know ukuthi izolo beyangekho live bamsayivele bamkhumbulile abantu bakhe.
Hayi, yabona namhlanje ebusuku.
Kunzima.
Kunzima.
Thank you so much. I'm whatever. LP Williams, thank you. Oh. Hey, ngizazi ke lezi.
Namhlanje ngenza ukulanda for iviki lonke.
Vele. Wena udlala nini official match?
Ngidlala nini vele? Anginayo le smoke le abanayo le.
Comment ngawuthi yena udlala official match.
Ugumet yaphapha.
Yo, ngizoba ku ice guys, ngicaniyenze tu. Eish. Abantu badla namavoroso. Hey, ayishiyam. Wow, mina ngidla izambane.
Izambane?
Yebo.
Nalikhabishi.
Wena udla nama-salad moso?
Mina ngidla ikosi. Ikosi.
Guys, nabona siqhomela. Izobafana nathi miyekeleni soon. Thank you so much, I'm whatever. Thank you. Oh, konje kuseza speed. Guys, angithi asina smoke. So silaleni speed. Thank you Nonkululeko. Unonkululeko. Umfollow namhlanje, ngigifta namhlanje.
Ngala Rose ayithu.
Yes.
Thank you Andy.
Thank you so much. Thank you. One last rose, guys. One last rose. Def 8 Snowy. Yabona lamasokane ngoJanuary.
Akubi kanti.
Abantu nje. Thank you Nonkululeko. Abantu nje labafana laba siculela lapha ya.
Uhlala kanti wena phamela.
Ngihlala somewhere.
La kala khona ingoma kanje. Thank you Mpumi. And Andy.
Times 2 guys, times 2. Whatever you have, it's gonna double.
Uhlala eSwatini.
Ngihlala eSwatini mina. Impitini.
No do so thank you Mpumi. Thank you.
Ngihlala eMpumalanga. Hayi man. Ngihlala eLeslie. Thank you so much.
Abantu bazokutshontsha.
Angeke bangithole la. La kuse kunje kuhlangahlangene. Ngeke bangithole. Bayongicala bangifune kuphi? Ngeke. Times 2 guys. Bangisuze sothisa lama-streak wami Nkosi yami. Awu. Lil Sleazy. Thank you so much.
Lama-streak wami. I wish yazi ama-streak bewathatheka wonke boy4.
Ngicela ukutshela into abangayibuzanga. Ugumede wangithathela ama-streak wami ayi-9 ngama-taps. Ngama-taps vele. Angikhumbuli but wangithathela ama-streak ayi-9 ngescore esithi 200 and something because mina bekunganabantu ku-live yami. Ngathi ha. Wow.
Thank you Monga. Ufi wena uvumeleni?
Thank you so abantu bambe babancane. Def 8 Snowy, thank you so much. Yabona.
Thank you Monga.
Abantu bambe abancane. Bekubed nje. Wafika yo ayi9 ngathi ha. Aba uzumshaya nga300.
What? I have Monga. Thank you Monga nge garden not a roses, a garden.
Where?
Yes.
I have more. They have more guys. I want name more club. Ish. Sina ke. Hey.
Molo yiso. Asina igarden phela thina siyatshala. Sesiyavuna manje.
Love you Pam. Thanks so much. Kodwa Zotha. Love you too Shem. Thanks so much. Why now?
Yini kanti lento leyo? Yini imicimbi or abafana basentabeni?
Angazi kenzakalani ngathi bayapasa ngathi bayastop angazi dala bawela manje sebayaphapha nje
mawo dessert
nina konje niyenza namaZulu aniyenzi next nyamemeza kuphela
yashaya
ndashaya welele Bullet B thank you so much Shem Shem kuricharge kanjani nge-airtime Pem thanks what Zotha what did I no khona ichoms zami la zifuna ukuricharge nge-airtime
thank you airtime
yeah
rand
angazi imali phela kuricharge wathatha kanjalo vele
Kimire Setumonga la siloko siyakudidiyela ngama-rose Kimire Mara ngiyakuthemba wena. Thank you Monga i-MVP.
Guys, thank you so much
for Andy unama-power up. And Noloyiso, thank you Bogi, thank you Mau Desserts nabantu abathephile.
Ama-boss bona joinile. I'm whatever my name is. Welcome to the boss.
Monga wenza i-forex trade.
Kasifake manje shaya 1,000 in a week.
Yo.
100,000.
If you're doing forex trading, awungiplage. Ngizofaka umngani wami la. Sihlale kahle sibe rich.
Thanks. Angazi wathi thanks guys. Thank you for typing. Thank you for the gifts. Ngiyabonga shem. Yey, nomntwana lo ufile wangishaya ngeuniverse. Umntwana. Ngithi Nkosi yami.
Uzibuza ukuthi hey wena ikhathi kabalele 76.
Galaxy. Yazi ngiyathanda ukuthi universe. Sho ukuthi yes the universe man. Yes. Okay, as rematch oqina. Yo.
Uzofika nawe kubo busy. It's about the alphabets. And then I'm bengazi until ngibalayo bengazi ukuthi ngu B5.
I want to fika kanjani? Uku level bani manje wena? Level 13. Kashahle yazi mina ngi-understand lento.
Awuhambi ngalama level. Uhamba ngama live. Njengoba usho ama live. Khona into ama task.
Oh. Yeah. Times 3. Hibo. Wololo.
Follow and slide on my DM.
Times 3 indlule kanje. Akunabantu masla. The unpredictable. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you to your girl Snowy. Thank you so much. Guys, times 3. Welele. Hey. Yeah, bona into ngayifuna ukuba live izizona lezi.
Siyabonga.
Depends on how you are gifted, CC. More gifts, the upper league. Really? So people need to gift me Ntokozo in order for me to go up. Ntokozo. Ntokozo and level 22, B3. Whoa. Shout out. Hey. Ntokozo.
Thank you, Monga. So
thank you, whatever my name is. Thank you so much. Whatever my name is.
Benitsini nina nge-forex. Benitsini.
Now umuntu forex. Yes, mama. And if you don't get gifted, you go a league down. Oh. Okay, Ntokozo. Beka yadliwa. Wow, shout out. Bengazi yes. Thank you so much. We need one more rose. Awuyabona who's no.
Ama rose ayithu ngikhohliwe. Ngicela i-rose. Ama rose ayithu.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Omunye. Thank you, Monga.
Ntokozo.
Another one.
Another one. Ntokozo, wow. Yes,
another one.
Like TikTok.
No. Another one, guys.
I'm gonna follow you, Ntokozo. I'm gonna follow you. Follow back. Yes. When I grow up, I wanna be like you, Ntokozo. B3. Times 2, guys. Whatever you have, it's gonna double. Whatever you have, it's gonna 1, 2 double. If you have a zing, something like it. Ngithole nini? Ngithole gifting ku. Uzafa unkoloti mani kani zomlanda. Efuni mani kani yami. Balenhle hlo. Ntokozo manje uthini? Uthi siyenza njani ngalento yami now? Times 2, guys.
For the party.
Ushaya ngento engekho mara yazi. Ay.
Yasayidla ama greenies manje. Tayidla ama greenies.
Ikukumba le.
Hey, kukumba. Yom. Thank you, Monga.
Thank you so much, Snowy. Guys, ngiyadliwa. Yo. Ish. Hi, Shem.
Nakufaka i-timer la.
Guys, mara it's not that deep. Ile game le ayikho nzima ngale ndlela.
At isikhathi. Cabanga at isikhathi ukuthi abe nechance ukuthi ashaya.
Ngizonishaya ngengikhole phela ngiphethe amabhoza la. Hey, ngiphethe izinto ezikhala kahle. Phethe uNtokozo la. Hey.
Zo.
Glenn, thank you so much. Ish. Ngiphethe amabhoza. Nanta ngifuna ukukhuluma. Khona amabhoza
kukumba. Kukumba.
Uzowina. Ushaya ngekukumba. Yimbi kukumba nje.
Yimbi kukumba.
Yimbi kukumba Shem. Yimbi. Uyapi.
Ngizongikubuza umuntu healthy. Thank you, Monga.
Liwa. Alizamba neliwa. Thank you, Ntokozo. Thank you for joining my bosses. Only the bosses. No, relax. It's nothing big. Something big is coming. You don't know. Ntokozo, thank you so much. Shut up.
Mas straight niche. Thank you, Monga.
Ngiyadlala. Guys, began bahamba ku 200. Ngiyangicela. Cala gift whatever you have. It's gonna double. I love your energy. Thank you, Ntokozo.
2026 is our year.
We stay here for long.
It's ours. Thank you, Monga.
More than this. You guys can. BK. Hi, yo, guys, Mara. Yo. Mana guys, yo.
Ngiyadwa nekhonti ezayo. No, Monga. Thank you Monga.
Abantu like yo. Guys, nithaselela masiteka i2 sibe 0-0 so i2 siqale kabusha ngiyangicela. Awu Nkosi yami ngiyangicela ngizonijayivela. Ringi wrong.
Monga da.
Ringi wrong.
Imphethe Monga la siyakutrader phela sazi yini bathi yini le craft
Thank you,
sazi craft
HJ.
phela
Thank you so much. Hey, ringi wrong. Guys, ngiyajayivela bhekani. Ringi wrong. Ringi.
Thank you Monga. Nang.
Akekho. How? Thank you so much, SJJ.
Thank you Monga. Asivumi.
Yo, yabo, bathi
2026 is
phambili
gonna be our year.
Yabo, bathi phambili ngewo. Hey, sebaqulela mina manje.
Abese ngithole netrick ezikho.
Phambili. Shy. Ngithathe la street kwakho. Shy, yeah. Hey. Hayibo.
Bengizobashaya lawo. Uyabona labo. Bengizobatshela yini na hambi la. Hawu.
Ish. Thank you so much, Mfano. Ish. Function.
Monga ngikufollowile.
Times 2, guys.
2026 is our year.
Ish. Phambili ngisemoyeni times 2. Ish. Yo, abanga gift ku times 2.
Wena thabisa usanda amantombazana.
Ish. Yo.
Abantu abathanda amantombazana laba basidlisayo. Njalo masihlangana nabo Pamela baya relaxa bona. And emele shy.
Bayenzengapha. Dozo. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Thank you Monga.
Dozo Lovejoy. Somebody win. Angikhona ukuthoba. Ngiyayiqeda live yami manje.
Monga
Ntokozo yo. Uphetenge 28 Jan. Ngizobe nginawo. Guys, ngithi mina izani ngapha. Since adlala ngami bese bakadlala namanye ama big boss. Bese canceling gift. Yabo. Yes. Thank you for sharing the live, princess. I hope ubhizi umuntu isigwili. Busy likuthumela. Vele ngiyiwe la. Khiphi. Yo. Okay, sizodinga ama rose I2 from abantu abayi different.
Sesichinchile manje sesikushango shabuke. Guys sothi ngama rose I2. Guys mara sibangaka. Ama rose I2.
One last one. Ayeka shy guys.
I2 bapaka ama rose. Thank you Monga. Another one.
Coin one.
Besides Monga sekafakile sekcounte umuntu oyi1. Kushoto omunye umuntu.
Guys kushota coin one.
Another individual. Another individual. Thank you. Thank you, Shane. Thank you. Bonge no Monga. Guys, times 2.
Times 2, guys.
I'm
told akekho kude kakhulu times 2, guys. Whatever you have, it's gonna double. Mangabe une rose eli1 lakho lokugcina la last year January. Faka times 2. Eish.
Monga. Get the afternoon. Thank you, Shane. Samshalo. Samshalo.
Guys, times 2.
Thank you, Shane. Thank you ngeTonyatsi bengilekhalele kanjani Tonyatsi.
Uyaphuma la. Hey.
Nomonga since angiphethe. Siloko sizibambela nje
Mama, ukamuso hleza ngishaya ikukulezwe. Thank you so much. Thank you guys times 2. Whatever you have it's gonna double. He's not
Hey wena. Untokozo la.
Yes.
I saw it coming.
Yeah, really didn't see anything coming.
I saw it.
Tawaz. Jingle-lingy, jingle-lunga, Thank you so much, Tawaz. Thank you.
Robot power. Une robots.
Hey, when. Tawaz 3 sama Shire. Slender.
Yes, I've seen.
Slender sama catalog. Uthubani.
Thank you, Monga. Simboniseni la.
Thank you so much. Guys, siyamthathalela. Snowy. Thank you so much. Thank you guys, siyawina. Siyamthathalela ama-3 Slender sama what? Oh, thank you so much, my love.
Basheshe bahleka kanti inkosi.
Thank you so much for following. Guys, usengafika uphethe inkunzi malanga ngale. Ngiyanitshela. Tap. Angabe une rose eyi-1 uyifake lahlela nje konke ungabusalibamba. Unenkunzi malanga laphaya. Unenkunzi malanga. Eish. Uyambona?
The X4.
Guys, tap. Uyambona wenzani?
Tatotoba kancane. Oh kancane.
Guys, yes, something massive. Thank you, Slender Summer Weezy. Kukulam. So I'll change Alekam. Thank you so much, Kuku. Slender Summer Swazi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kukulezwe. Slender Summer Swazi.
Cela ukuthi mangabe unayi snipe or rifle.
Yo, guys, Slender Summer Swazi ngiyabonga. Slender Summer Swazi. Guys, ngicela idonyathi. Kukulezwe, thank you so much. Yo, guys,
Makaveli.
Kukulezwe, thank you. Guys, Slender Summer, I mean, donuts. Guys, donuts.
Makaveli zami bela saseduze. Kanti Makaveli.
Samshaya kanjani?
Intokozo.
Samshaya. Ubani bekathi uyangisiva? Ukukhuleza uthi nayo. Intokozo wathi hayi, khuleka ngiphethwa yithi fu.
Thank you Makaveli. Monga danko.
Hayi Samshaya. Makaveli ngeke. Nyakalungu Makaveli. Ubani umonga uphi?
Uze for Rexo. Kunuka impama la.
Kukhulezwe.
Kunuka impama la.
Thank you so much, Ntokozo. Love you. Oh my goodness. You are God sent. You are not here in this life by mistake. May God bless you and your pocket. May God bless you and your pocket. Thank you so much. Oh, Ntokozo. Hey.
I'm signing out my dog. Let's make money. Tanko Monga. Tanko.
Slender Summer Swazi. Oh, Snowy. Guys, may God bless your pockets. uNkulunkulu ngathi nganandisela uthi uyahamba ikhoma zakho ziyasina mawuthi ufaka isandla iyare phuma nenye into Kukuleza, thank you so much.
Soy poet manje wena.
Can't wait to see you in the A-Leagues. I'm coming, Dokos. I'm coming. I'm gonna get there. A-Leagues. Oh, Kukuleza, thank you. Guys, let's wait for the speed. Let's play on the speed.
No,
I'm gonna shy.
No longer. Don't go. Don't leave. I am Penny T. Thank you.
×2, guys. ×2. Whatever you have, it's gonna double. Whatever you have.
Support the Prada. We are in trouble.
×2. Whatever you have,
It's an ambush.
Oh, nyabonga yabathepayo. Oh, ithepisi zami madoda. Awu, Dozo!
Isbuta, thank you. Thank you, Isbuta.
Okay.
You.
Guys, let's gift on the speed. Dozo,
thank you so much. It's an ambush.
Coming to the Kukulezwe. Let's play on the speed, guys. Thank you so much, Kukulezwe. Let's play on the speed. Yabona ukuthi la ngathi Yes. Kodwa ngeke as2. Statazeli.
Sengukudlela i-onion manje. Manje sengukudlela i-onion. Ngale onion. Ngithi zokushaya. Onion.
Kukulezwe. Sawona phem hayithi. Hey, beceda ungena omunye umuntu onzima kakhulu. I think uvela wandlula nje ukuthi athi shup. Wow. What a strong. Guys, we need 3 coins. 3. Okay, not now. Ish. Nazo.
Manje.
Nazo.
Abantu abayi3 ama-rose ayi3.
3 coins,
Thank
guys.
you, Snow. Thank you very much, Snow. Oh, another one. 2 people. 2 more.
One last, guys.
2 more.
One last coin.
2 more. No, one last. So one last, guys. 2 more roses.
Kukulezwe, hold it until we get to the speed. Guys, we need somebody to for Kukulezwe. We need 1 rose. We need 1 rose. Ufuna ukusinika ingadi. And it's sifuna i-rose one from umuntu ogcina. Yes, from a different person.
That's the truth. One more.
What's your name? Gone for a while, but not gone for a long time.
One more.
Let's bambeze.
One more.
We have people to see and people to see.
Not. Yes, Ntombi.
×2 yaqala soon.
M2.
Ubani kamana gone for a while, but not forever. ×2. Times 2, guys. Whatever you have, it's gonna double.
Whatever you have. Ngisho nanoma. Thank you. Thank you, Snow.
Thank you, Google.
Thank you, Snow.
Thank you.
And Truth. Tonyat.
Gone for Tonyat. But not forever. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Siyamshaya. Kukulezwe. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Mashi.
Let's play on the speed, guys. Let's play on the speed. On the speed, whatever you have is gonna double times 2. Gone for a while.
You killed my mother before I was even born.
Gone for a while, but not forever. Kukulezwe, thank you so much. Thank you. My brother. Thank you so much.
I so like Tuesday. Hi guys. Saka like Tuesday kakhulu. Thank you, Carol. Thank you, Mashi. Saka like Tuesday. We cannot allow it. Carol. Thank you.
Whatever you have, it's gonna double. Oh, Baba.
Where are you going?
Oh.
Thank you, Carol. And
My
Snow.
God.
Thank you.
My God.
I'm flabbergasted by your twins. Thank you, Carol and Tommy. I'm flabbergasted.
500. Guys,
Yes.
do it. We are not shaken. We are not moved.
We will shake you.
Relax.
We will shake you.
Okay, guys. My man.
2026 is our year. Angazi to do what, ne? Mara hours.
No. Akazi ukhuluma ngalo. Guys, ngithini? Yo.
We shall devour you alive.
You will never do that. Let's go. Guys, thank you so much, Nambuso, for following me. Dingy, danga. Guys. Hey, namakam. But 500 mduzu 500. Singamshaya lo muntu. Mapiri in the building. Thank you so much, Mapiri.
I believe in you guys.
Mapiri, yes, guys. Mapiri.
Mara mafika 500.
Guys. This is the time to shine. This is your time to shine. Guys, ngicala idonut, ngicala oxa donut, perfume, necklace, whatever you have, chom. Mapiri, thank you so much. Zanele! Okay, guys, siyafika. Thank you so much, Zanele. Uzanele level up and level up. Our boss. Okay, asikho lapho. Siyabuya. Siyafika, guys. Ngiyangicela. Ngicela. Angnalo lebihang, angnalo iklavu. Ayo.
Yeah.
Don't.
Benisi nyaphi? Thank you, Snow. Carol, Twin Mom.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, and it's good and truth.
Thank you so much. Yo. Ang nali Tonyat. Guys, ubani one Tonyat, yeah? Hey man, on it love. Awudli kanti today. Ukamse unanga uyadla sincentsha ngithi. Guys, akekho umuntu one Tonyat la phakathi kweni, yeah? Ukamse upholile imjo oscreamayo memezayo, guys, ansangizweli man.
We are chilled. I'm sure 2026 is our year, so we are chilled.
Wena yazokushaya mara. Yazokushaya mara.
Wena bekumele usale no 2025 ngimangele khona la.
Mina ngingena ekuqala ku 2026 ungangiboni ngila. Dala thina singenile. Nina abantu busy. Thina dala sesihleli sesibone konke. Bangathi ngiyakutshela manje into ezoyenzakala. Ngiyokukhola. Sengike. Awukhorrect.
Sowubonile wena.
Ngibone ngaceda. Bengazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani le game.
Bowazi?
Bengazi izinto ezizoyenzaka.
Uyazi lesokushaya kuyo manje?
Ula wena, I was next. You don't know.
Uyazi lesokushaya kuyo manje? Are you aware?
Mamela, I was next when. Rematch lapha. Offer, rematch. Ubheke ukhama ionion lapha.
The onion. By this onion I'm saying yes.
Mamela, ubuke lento ezoyenzakala la.
Onion angeke.
Mamela, bukela le game. Bukela le game idlalwa kanjani? Happen guys, asimboniseni ukuthi sibuya ku 2026. Asimova ithi for nothing. Asambeni.
We shall show you flames. You know flames.
Asambeni. Times 2 guys. Whatever you have, it's gonna double bandla. Hey my God.
Asipheni konke.
Oh my goodness.
Konke kulo times 2.
Ngikubonile nawe lo ufuna ukucofa leyo donuts ngikubonile ngizoyicofa.
Bakubonile salicofa soboniwe. So bhaqiwe icofe. Yo Carol. Caroli. Okay.
You're not shaken. I knew Carol was coming. Guys, let's go.
Carol.
Times 2, guys. I don't know what you have. Oh, we made it. Okay. Let's wait for another.
Let's go back kusibiza ngani ngefather fika.
Zanele, let's wait. Oh, Zanele, my God. Oh my God. Thank you. Let's wait for the speed. Guys, does anybody have a glove or a what? Inkosi yami. Eish. My God. Isigqoko sami. Guys, I need to assist go. Need to welcome 2021 26. Eish. Hayi man, yes. Khulekani guys, khulekani.
Yabona ngidla kanjani le papa? Nawe ngiyokudla so.
You. Lucid, thank you for following me. Okay, guys, we are gonna need 2 different roses from abantu abayi-2 abahlukile. Who naye? I-rose eyi-1
Same ways.
faka ama-rose ayi-2 eyi-1 bese nomunye ufaka eyi-1.
2 roses ayidwa sahamba isikhathi. Isikhathi ixesha linkile.
Okay, we need one last
Ixesha
rose.
lityiwe yinja. Guys,
need one last rose, guys.
akekho noyi-1. 2 roses. Yeah,
Guys, one rose. Danko Lebuhang, Lebu. Thank you so much, guys. Ow.
Good people.
It's time 2 yaqala, guys. Akasithusanga ngesigqoko
Thank
sakhe.
you, Carol.
Still have time.
Bekulate. Ivele yahamba. Thank you, Carol. Thank you very much.
Amen. Times 2. Whatever you have, times 2.
Une time 2.
Chaka
Asitholanga
macho.
thina.
Times 2, please.
Carol.
Zanele. Guys,
Carol.
siyamthola. Buku Zanele, uyambona uZanele yasipush. Guys, siyamthola. Times 2, guys. Ncedani uZanele. Siyashisa. Whatever you have, times 2, guys. Yadabula. Lo muntu lo akana speed. Akana glove, akana next. Njengoba hlele lapha ipapa somkhama. Times 2. Oh my goodness, my God. Zanele, my God.
Oh my.
My God, guys, we still have 23 seconds, 22.
Hey.
Zanele, my God.
Zinhle, thank you. Hey, wena uyaplana. Hayibo.
Uthego, thank you so much, guys. Times 2. There's still icon.
Zinhle.
My Zanele.
Awusekahambile.
Thank you. Asambeni, guys. Sesene times 2.
Asimlandeni. Sesingahamba ke manje, asimlandeni. Wenzani?
Okay.
Isibuhle. Rakakakakakakaka. Thank you, Isibuhle. Rakakakakakaka. Man down. Oh, mama. We just put a woman.
Zanele,
Thank you, Isibuhle.
Guys, isuku 400 singafika
Thank you, Mafina, ngama-rose and cocktails.
Nibambisane singafika.
Thank you, Isibuhle. Yo, thank you very much.
I talked too early. Guys, ayikapheli isikhathi. Bengazi vele ukuthi mani igani yeza. Ngingatatariseli. Relaxani. Bukani. Wosani. Nakusemlana. Buka nakusemlana.
Asibumi.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the
Ahlele muva.
Zanele. Guys, please help Zanele. Oh my goodness. Oh my sweet lover boy. Oh my scrabble. Guys. Okay. Ooh. Dingy dong. Guys.
I watch all your videos. Thank you. Watch them. Repost all of them. Food.
Yo.
Repost every one of my videos.
Guys, please.
Because it's the great personalities.
It's your first gift, me. Thank you so much. That's so cute. Zanele. Guys, ngiyanicela isikhathi ahamba. Ngicela nincede uZanele. Me. Thank you so much.
Asibumi.
Uthini lo? Yazi ku-900 singafika sindlule. Yazi singashaya imani igani la kuphelile ngani. Nokwazi lokho mara.
Siminyile ukuthi ningayifaki.
Hey, buke le mani igani ezoshaya la. Futhi kahle ngathi izoshaya igalaxy la. Into engiyibonayo, khala igalaxy la. Nuka igalaxy.
Yanuka nami yanginukela ngiyayizwa. Nuka Samsungwana.
Siyafika. Galaxy. Isengashaya, ayikathi luzi.
Hey, MVP Isibuhle rakakakaka. Sengiphethe isibhamu. Awema. Thank you, Carol. No, Carol.
Oh, me. Thank you so much.
I love ngiphethe abantu abaserious. Thank you, Isibuhle. Thank you, Carol. Masinga, thank you, Cortez. Thank you very much. Nabantu abathephile, I see you.
Zanele. Oh, my Zanele. Wow.
Loko ngidle papa la.
Uthego, thank you so much. Lebohang, oh, thank you. Me, Pretty Mbalenhle, Zandibe, Kasi, Twaki, M. Hi guys, thank you for tapping. Thank you.
Njengoba wena ubonile 2026 ubonile ukuthi sizokwenzani.
Kamso ngiyayazi yonke into ezoyenzakala la mina. Ungacabanga ukuthi yangimangaza mina le manigane yakho ayingithusi. Ngiyakutshela ukuthi kunuka igalaxy and la izoshaya khona. Ngiyekukhonakala.
Uyasikwatisa manje.
Thank you so much. Busisiwe, thank you.
Cortez.
Ngasothi ini. Eish. Yo, ukamsumara. Ngibonile nje. Yathi into hey ngibonile yonke lento izo. La ngibonise. Mikhongelo. Eish.
Awuthi sikuphenye. Ekumnandi la uhlala khona bayacula abantu ba happy.
Yimislima la yashaya mina.
Uzokuhlelela nesibhaqa.
Tap guys.
2025. 2025.
Yambona usele.
Bekumele asale khona yena.
Tap guys, tap.
2026 is our year.
Nikifte ku speed. Hish, yizwa lento ejoyinayo. He nganyiwe yazi la. Times 2 guys, please share. Ungishaye kaningi lo mfana. Times 2.
Uyangixayisa.
Whatever you have. Hey wena. Times 2 whatever you have. Hey,
ngabona ke.
La. Thank you Zanele Mazet. Aw my Zanele. I got this.
Asiboniseni kuthi hayi.
Thank you so much me. Oh my god. Yazi umibe kuyi first gift yakhe le njengoba sekwade kanje umkwatisile. Yes.
Thank you Carol. Where you headed, hey? Thank you Carol.
Times 2 guys. Okay, hold your gifts. Hold your gifts. Let's play on the speed. Zanele, let's play on the speed. Thank you so much. Thank you. Guys, let's help Zanele know me. Let's help them. Yay. Thank you so much for following me. Kanti mosuka ufaka number. Zanele, thank you. Oh my goodness, Zanele, bekumele sidlale ngespeed too. Eish. Okay, wait. Ibambi emshayeli.
Yes, I take her. Today is over live.
Thank you so much, me. Guys, when you see the countdown, please drop 2 roses, 2 different people.
Hey. 10. What are you doing? Where you headed, hey? We are Pamela.
40. Singayenza lento. Me, thank you. Eish umi usheshe wayifaka. Yo.
Guys, asitsheni yo keep that target. Guys, thank you Carol. Donuts. Thank you Carol.
Nasibambezela.
Thank you.
Zanele.
Shota.
Oh,
2 more of those 10 points. Yo, ayokugcina. Last one.
Yes,
Last one.
Daniela, please hold it and then you're gonna, guys, please play on the speed. Please play on the speed when it's 10.
Guys, asifakeni ukuthi sesoyreach usebenzile uCarol. At least usafulele.
Daniele. Guys, sesinayi speed. Short ukuthi nje i-countdown isilinde ukamusi bayisibambisela
nabantu. Walinde mina guys. Guys.
Sibambezela.
Tota noma iRosa A1, 1 Rosa.
Nasibambezela lapho. Kusela how many seconds?
Nkosi yami. Cishe sifike. Okay, qhubeka Cortez. Yo Nkosi yami Cortez. Yes, Carol. Yebo, thank you Carol.
Okay, sayisoqala times 2 guys. Khani mani le drop manje guys. Yebo. Yeah, whatever you have guys times 2.
Stufosa, thank you. Yebo, thank you Carol. Thank you very much.
Times 2 guys, whatever you have it's gonna tabu. Thank you me.
Kabane bese ngayithola phela uyashiya bekazosenzani.
Whatever you have tabu.
Asisebenzele kanzima le time 2.
Thank you so much. Zanele. Samantha what's up when? Ay. Nzima. Times 2 guys, times 2. Times 2. Just stinger 1, 2. Siyandlula. Siyashaya.
Amandla.
Times 2.
Carol, amandla wethu. Hayibo wenzani ngale? Hayibo. Carol, thank you Carol. Thank you very much. Kwenzakalani ngale?
Never khohlwa. Mshengu. Yebo dad. Yashiselo. Mshengu.
Thank you Carol.
Zanele mazanzana. Thank you. Mshengu ubuya. Yizwa mbovu. Hayiba. Mshengu. Hayi God.
It's a very powerful gift. I know.
Mshengu God.
Mara sina give up.
Namba
We don't do that.
Mshengu.
Ngisho nanoma bangasinqamula inyawo sizohoka.
Khohlwa.
Nanoma bangasithulisa basibhala umlomo kusaya sizokhuluma.
Moniwa Mshengu. Hayi baba. Khohlwa. Yeka nje. So vele everyone feels hot when Mshengu gifts. Hayi sonke sashisela. Ukunye kanzima nimbonile lehlanga lephaphu kabusi.
Uyibonile papa lihlale la.
Yes. Mshengu.
Ubamba.
Khohlwa. Khohlwa akekho ozofika la. Mandla dladla. Is it Mandla? Okay, angifuni ukusho isibongo solo Nkosi yami. Hawe mabo. Mandla dladla.
Ultraman.
Bonile ice cream. Ultraman ithatha. Hawu madoda. Ha. Zanele, Zanele ngiyabonga ungagive up. Uzanele ka give up kwafika into yathi shwi. Zanele mayizanzana. Me, oh my me. Nangu ma11 ujoinile eqaleni wangibona ngidliwa waphuma wahamba. My 2 favorite people in one life. Oh, cute. Oh man. Samshay. Hawu, ayisikushaye kabuhlungu la. Usafundla nathi?
Hayi, mina angisumuntu okugive up. Thina powerful kakhulu.
Hey.
Powerful kakhulu. Yazi.
Ngiyakubela sis. Ma11 angithi wena uyandlula yangibuke bayangishaya kodwa kanjani mara ma11. Rematch.
Okay.
Mandla dladla. Hayi, madoda.
Yabona manje?
Hayi kodwa umshengu.
Is amandla. Awethu siyahlasela.
Siyashisa mshengu. Umshengu siyashisa. Siyashiselwa nje.
Inkwatile. Into esiyenza inkwatile.
Rematch ungasakhuluma. Umshengu ubonile beyakade kakhulu. Malume.
Come this. Yazi into eningenze yona.
Siyamshaya lo. Thepani guys. Salani senthe. Ayisekho into yakhe. Ayisekho siyamshaya. Dala shaya.
Umshengu uyashelela.
Umshengu ushelelile. Mamela, umshengu.
Hey, malume.
Hayibo.
Malume. Ngiyabusahamba malume.
Ufikile manje. Time 3 guys, singaluzi focus.
Malume cha.
Oh, malume ufike la kimi.
Thank you Carol. Malume.
Malume.
Thank you. Malume, thank you Carol. Malume ska amaribon. Amaribon.
Mandla, thank you so malume nami ngiyakwela.
Thank you malume.
Malume.
Wena. Uyangikwatisa. Thank you malume.
Malume
Ngiyasula una Pamela. Amandla, thank you. Thank you Carol.
Umalume wena masela.
Thank you very much Carol.
Malume kodwa.
Amandla.
Malume.
Yahlasela.
Umalume.
Ngibonile ku screen sakho.
Uyeza kimi malume ngimulethila yona. Relax.
Ubonile isikole sakho ukuthi cha.
Ngibonile. Malume. Guys, let's wait for the speed. Let's keep on the speed. Yo, singabathola guys 3K. Umalume yo, malume onjani ye. Malume abantwana uyabagamlela. Mangabo malume. Yo. Malume yo.
Malume wami wena. Why is that malume wami?
Guys, we need 650 coin. We need a money gun.
Yo.
We need a money gun. Guys, please. Malume, nama so activate the speed best we are hamba. We need a money gun.
Yo, hey, the speed is Asambe Siofa.
Guys, we need a money gun. We need a galaxy matter of fact. Okay, money gun. Yo, money gun 500. We need money gun. We need hand hearts. Hand hearts is how many? Yo.
That's what I think, Hey, Carol. Carol, since it's now Carol la. Ngamaswani. Yazi swani. Ile kale manzini. Yeah. Thank you Carol. Thank you very much Carol. When?
Carol angengisho.
Carol since it's la usibukisa ngabantu.
Ushaya. Ngiyasisho Carol.
Ushaya score sibona kahle ukuthi isorricha nini mara lesa score. Similelana aslehlele emuva.
Yo, asilona le speed. Yo.
Thina sitholile guys sine time 3. Thina sitholile sake reached.
Yo.
Siphethe kanje.
Thola nje. Leon. Yo.
Layazi. Carol. Father fiko ufuna ba. Thank you Carol.
Yo, wathuleka la kwami. Baphela moya. Give up.
Mina ngithe nanoma bangasinqamula inyawo sizowokha.
Guys, give up.
Bangaskipha amehlo sizobona.
Guys, ninga-give up. Ngiyanicela amandla, ninga-give up.
Thank you, Carol.
Ultra Razo. Thank you so much.
Sesenza show-ke manje, sesenza
Guys, ninga-give
isiqiniseko.
up. Ngiyanicela.
Thank you,
Guys,
Carol.
ngiyatshela uma ungakhiphi Leon la. Hayi, ngiyatshela. Mandla, thank you so much. Awu Nkosi yami, unginceda uMandla.
Stop smiling.
Ngiyabonga Mandla wethu. Mandla awakadladla. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord.
Sesizahlasela.
Mandla awakadladla. Oh my goodness. Guys, ninga-give up. Guys, yo, ninga-give up. Noma sekusele isikhathi sithi ninga-give up. Yo.
Yabona us, hamba la.
Guys, ninga-give up. You still have it in you. I see you. You want to give me that Leon, but something is stopping you.
I'm gonna snitch. Never. Thank you, Carol. Similelana. After pele muva.
Yo, guys, yo, mara, yo. Malume ungenzile kodwa. Yey, no Carol. Awu Carol akafuni mina. Sharp Carol yohlangana mina nawe. Awu Mandla, Mindlo, Stako Mindlo. Ngiyabonga. Yasnipe uMandla. Ngiyabonga Mandla. Yo.
Ukhamisa ngepapa. Ukhamisa ngepapa man. Uyasniper. Yo, hey.
Mindlo, Stako Mindlo singaphelele. May God bless your pockets, man.
If umalume usesekhona sibonga umalume. Uncle. Uncle. Thank you very much, Uncle. Thank you, Carol.
Umalume ungelela ngambingelela ngamnandi ngathi umalume.
Thank you very much, Carol. Carol, uphethe ama-power up lapho. Siphethe merchandise. Siphethe umbaluleko. Important goods.
Ramsela phela manje. Angibalekeli nina. Shaya imatch yokugcina. Ibetri lami seliku-3.
Thula Pamela, please wena. Yabona Pamela masifika ku-500 points. Uyathula la uyekela ukusibangela umsindo.
Okay, ngizothula.
Sesikhulume sesidiscussile siceda ukubamba i-meeting yana la.
Khona yodropa. Okay, guys, angithi sithe give up. Le match le yokugcina phela ngiyahamba. Eish. Ubani lo? Eish. Okay, ask guys, eish. Zori. Guys, you can Yo, guys, yarra man. ×2, guys. Whatever you have is gonna double. ×2. Yeah. Oh, ish. Yeah, phinde yake 1 2. Buka mina ngaphelela umoya.
Buy one get one free. Buy one get one free.
×2, guys. ×2. Ish. Yeah. Ay. Umshengu marayo.
Vibrant.
Ngimthole phi umshengu ye? Azumshengu
Carol. Awuthule lapho sibangela umsindo. Mulawuthi. Nini Mulawuthi? Yo, thank you Mulawuthi and Carol. Vibrant. Yo, thank you Mulawuthi and Carol. Ayi Nkosi yami. Similelana. Aslehlele muva. Yazi leyo ngoma.
Guys, ngize ngafika la ngazama ukuthi
Thank you Mulawuthi. Thank you Carol.
Yo.
Sibangela umsindo. Making noise for us. Ngaphathe kabi. You compare right. But words of wisdom from me, from a wise man. You compare right.
We need just 2 roses, guys. Just 2 roses from 2 different people, please.
Thank you, Mulawuthi.
Thank you so much, Snowy.
Another person.
One last rose, guys. One last rose.
My friend, thank you.
Andeka, thank you so much for sharing the live.
Ungishaya wena ubukisa ngami umhlaba wonke jikelele. Boje ukuthi sophelelaphi.
Guys, we need one. Thank you, me. Thank you so much, me. Thank you. Guys, this is the last game. If ngihamba la ngishayiwe, ngizoba said ×2, guys. Whatever you have, it's gonna double. Yang ×2, guys. Yo, bane speed. Yo. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Crush you. Thank you.
×2.
And Mkhulu.
Yo. Guys, ×2.
Carol, thank you.
Whatever you have, it's gonna double, guys. Guys, whatever you have, it's gonna double.
No.
1 2.
Thank you, Carol.
Umshengu mara.
Bekakhona uCarol ubukisa ngathi la izwe lonke.
I'll
Thank
come
you,
back
Caroli.
stronger. Uzafa sekushayile u10 ngale.
I dare you.
Eish.
Nethothana.
Guys, times 2. Eish. Yazine.
Network yami. Yosinda ngenetwork. Hey,
Eish.
asingibambe le thambo.
Go, ubani? Yay! Yay! Ngiyacela ngabusahamba Nkosi yami ungena kancane. Yay! Nkosi yami ngidinga wena. Uthunyela mama, awufika ngemistake la kule live. Uthunyela.
Ngabona wena. Thank you Grace, thank you Kofisi.
Awufikanga ngemistake.
Thank you Carol and Mulauti. Once again. Yabona wena.
Yo mara.
Khomba ngalithamba.
Yo. Yes man. Yabona eish.
Mulauti.
Kumzi. Eish. Bukunyenzalo mfana. Angivuse kumzi. Ngiyacela.
Banda.
Kumede. Kumede. Junie, please, my Junie. Oh, Junie, don't leave. Oh, Junie, my Junie. Oh, you are sent. God sent. Uthunyelwe uNkulunkulu, Junie.
Asivumi. We decline your request. You shall not win in this game. We set you free with a loss. Fly little plate. Fly little plate. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe out. Yes. Yeah. Yebo.
Hayi ngiyabonga Carol Mlawuthi
Yeah.
indaba
Start at
asihlangani
29.
abantu bayahlangana. Ha, Umlawuthi.
Thank you, Mulauti. Carol, thank you.
Uyena
Thank you, Mulauti. Thank you, Carol, very much. Thank you, Mkulu.
Uyohlangana ngelizayo. Ngizokubona ebusuku wena. Hey, Carol, you better reach out.
Mulauti wami. So hlangana ebusuku. Ngikusaba.
Hey. Bye.
Okay, Namuzi. So hlangana. Usicela emandleni. Usayobiza abantu. Usayomema yonke le South Africa. Thank you guys. Thank you. Awuthi nami ngiyothandaza ngilindele yena. Ngizovula guys ngo9. Thank you Carol, thank you Mlauti, thank you abantu abasupportile lapha kuMeshi. Yes. Thank you very much. Please say it, please. Please. Thank you Carol. Yeah. Hi.